Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon. Depending on your time zone. Good morning. Kingsley, see you there. Good morning. Please, as you are joining, share. As you are joining, share, invite our people, let them join us. Very quick one. Very quick one. Very quick one this morning. According to our Igbo Biafran, they go to say, Iwe Newemu, as in, at the verse. At the verse. Please quickly share. I go reach where I go sit down now. Okay, it's afternoon already there. Okay, good afternoon. Nkechi Gloria Honora. Thank you very much for joining. So, my people, I not see good avenue when I go sit down to take talk to us. Make I go come up for road small, where the noise go dey reduce. I just tired. Wetin dey happen? They say man die but once. So everybody wan yours die, make we yours die now, make we yours know the one wey we dey for inside. Man sit down for here. If we wan yours die, make all of us yours die, make we yours know the one wey we dey for inside. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Thank you, Obiano. Juliet, Daniel, thank you very much. So, my people, I just go through social media. Yesterday, me and one of our brothers, we first discuss about this meeting where the so-called governor they hold yesterday. I don't know, Sister Vera became me assist. Oh, yeah, Biafra. I don't know. They said they want whole meeting. On my mind, we say this individual when called the said governor. On my mind, we say they want go home meeting. May they talk about the things. So we say they happen for that place when they affect the people. I don't know. Say they go home meeting where we say it get to do with themselves, with their slayers and their masters, to do with their power, to do with whatever they do in that place. Meanwhile, a lot of things they happen for our land. Our Supreme Leader Mazina Di Kanu, is there for DSS custody. All my hope is saying, now waiting these people won't gather to come talk about. Now it be this one. Getting there. Now another thing entirely, now every one of us can hear my people. Now, I want to put on straight to Biafrans all over the world. Fulanis are not really our major problem. Fulani, the Janjaweed are not really our major problem. The major problem we have in Biafra land is the so-called governors, the so-called religious leader, the so-called Ohaneze, Pandef, the so-called politicians. These are our people. To me, recently when we say things when they go on for that place, I've got to find out that I got to discover that the Janjaweed are the second, as in people when we say we go even put as third self. Because our Supreme Leader they talk this to say, give these people, leave us and Janjaweed. They cannot as in stand us with anything. Imagine Catholic bishop, Reverend Sister, Anglican bishop, they all gathered in that meeting yesterday. Look at the way DSS is committing crime in the name of no government in Biafra land. These people went there to gather to do whatever meeting they will go to for that place. They don't discuss about the things where they affect us as a people. Rather, they gather for that place and they gossip. They gossip about their power, how they want to become something, how they want to move forward. They talk about election. The reason why Amazonian people have moved to this level they are today, so that they don't even get border between army where they for their border, where they get their border, where we say these Cameroonian people cannot enter into Amazonia again. It's because they get rid of their saboteur in their midst. They get rid of their saboteur in their midst. If it at all say or no government, the people when they will be at annoyance of the outcome of NSAS protesters when the zoo government, the zoo DSS brutally murdered, they should know the right people to channel their energy to. By now, no saboteur should be moving freely in Biafra land, especially the Anglicans, Anglican bishop, especially the so-called, what is it called, Catholic churches. Those people, they make their Reverend Father know they waka so freely because no Pentecostal pastor was there yesterday. No any other pastor was there yesterday. The pastor that was there are the Anglican bishop and the Catholic Reverend Father. For how long are we going to continue to allow these people to be walking freely, to aid the killing, the marginalization, the oppression of our people? They go to their churches on daily basis and sit down and be preaching to the people. What brought misunderstanding between our supreme leader and the so-called DJ Rezo? It's because of this religion. Our supreme leader know the effect, the damage of this so-called religion leaders they are doing to our people that made him to preach very critically as in about them. That make him to come outside to be canceling our leader. Now, what do we have to say about this? What has the religion leader got to do with politics? That they're not gathered with them, these people, and be discussing how they are going to destroy our people. They don't bring Operation Gun down now. Some of the people that they talk say, IPOB will feel the heat. IPOB will feel the heat. IPOB are not going to feel any heat. Let me tell you something. IPOB are not going to feel the heat. You see all those Reverend Father. You see all those Anglican bishops, whatever they call them. So we are going to start to go after them. Waiting won't happen, may happen. That way we won't fall tomorrow. We won't make it fall today. Because we can no longer keep quiet and be watching these people destroying us. Watching these people supporting our enemy to be destroying us. You go to the north, they discuss about how they are going to fix up their people, fix up their place, everything in that place. Discuss about way forward for their people. But you come to our place, they discuss about how they will go to crumple us now. The last time I checked, we are the most peaceful movement on this planet Earth. That the whole world, even international body, the UN, they recognize us as the most peaceful organization. But today, you go to Biafra land, the governors will gather for our sake. The traditional rulers will gather for our sake. The religious leader will gather for our sake. And we have people who are there in the name of no government, who are angry youths out of NSAS protesters. We should watch these people walking about on their daily basis. After they finish that meeting, they're not supposed to see us enter. After all those useless individual, whatever they call them, and bishop, and reverend for all those religious leaders, after they finish, they're not supposed to see us enter. We have to go after them. We have to go after them. Make we even leave Fulani people first. Let's leave these Fulani people. We have to go after the saboteurs in our midst. Governors, every governors in every various state, we should make their seat of governable for them. Anybody who will support them, anybody who will join them for that meeting, all of them should be get rid of. We should get rid of them. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Nobody for the Amazonian people can ever raise up his head to say, openly say, I don't want an Amazonian country. Or Amazonian people, they are making noise. Or Amazonian people are this or that. None of them can dare it. None of them can dare it. It's only in Biafra land, you see people raising up their head everywhere. They thought they burn their house. They tag an IPOB. And they are still walking freely. Let any Amazonian person come outside the way they make video and make video say, Amazonian will not come out, criticize Amazonian. He will not go sleep, made they break. He will not sleep, made they break. How long are we going to continue watching these people destroying us as a people? Gathering, they gather of vulture to come and eat their people up. Operation Crack, Operation, what did they call it? Operation Go Down. Then they don't break up for that place. And they let them know say, no be us go feed the heat. Now when don't they feed the heat, then not go see feed the heat. Because my people say we are 2 elephants for fights. He said now the grass went there for the place. He said now they suffer. Now go feed the heat. If not because of Anambra election, now make una they do what they do. Now make una they do all those gather. Anambra election will never hold. For Anambra election to hold, every living thing, every gun thing in the damnable Republic called Nigeria, in that Anambra state, we go down before your eyes. Because you cannot tell me that The leader that is leading the agitation as mighty, as big as this IPOB will be in the DSS custody, and you expect election to go on in that place. If that one happen, now be say we don't know what we they do. Now be say we let una go get away with whatever they do in that place. Whatever una bring on for that place, this is not the first time. I believe this will be the last time. This will be the last time you are going to bring a army in that place. In Zamfara, they need army. In Sokoto, they need army. In Kaduna, they need army. In every part of the north, they need army. In everywhere, they need army. Even in the middle belt, they need army. Places where there is peace and harmony, you bring army constant operation gone down. How many operations gone down and don't carry go Zamfara? How many operations gone down and don't carry go Boronu? Where operation gone down is really needed. How many have you taken there? Una see us finish. Una see us finish. This one is safe finish of the highest order. This is a safe finish of the highest order. And it's not going to be tolerated anymore. It's not going to be tolerated. That way we won't fall next tomorrow. We won't fall in 2 weeks' time. We want it to fall today. Because you're not going to feel beat person, expect that person not to cry. However, now have chosen to go about this thing, we are fully ready for all of you. We are fully ready. If the people are sitting at home on Monday, you go out there and bring them out. Since the business, because of only that one, now they gather meeting, now they gather on themselves. On Monday, when the people sit at home, you go out there and bring them out. Go out there and bring them out because now they get their life. Now they feed them. Go out there and bring them out. Devil Mani, whatever they call them for that, hopeless souls of Dima. And that bishop from Enugu, be very careful. Be very careful because the way they go like this, we will start to chop ourselves. The way this whole matter they go like this, we will start to eat ourselves. Because enough is enough. We have come to discover that you are the number one problem that we have, not even the Fulani. You are the number one problem that we have. We are not going to take it lightly with any of you again. We are not going to take it lightly with any of you. Now they are alive, now they're going to stand for pulpits. All those people when they preach over, so now they sit there, they slaughter their daily basis. Even the pregnant woman that was raped to death, we will never discuss about it. This is not the first time. People have been raped and slaughtered on daily basis, never discuss about it. Now one woman, when they raped to death, no one can discuss about it. We dey let una know every day now. Our people should listen. Biafrans, now they see what the leaders they do. Especially those of now when they for Biafra land. There's nowhere leaders will come together and be discussed about the destruction of their people. There's nowhere in the world except in Biafra land. There's nowhere in the world except in Biafra land. You will not see Oduduwa people do that. You will not see people from the north do that. Only in Biafra land, that is where leaders will gather and be planning the destruction of their people. And we are saying enough is enough. We are not going to take it anymore. Every one of you who have been saying IPOB this, IPOB that, should take notes now for what you want about to happen. Because we start to shop ourselves. If we not clean up our house, Biafra exit will be very difficult. We are going to find out that if we do not clean up our house, Biafra exit will be very difficult from the damnable Republic of Nigeria. We need to start to clean up our house. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Bishop, stay your lane. Bishop, stay your lane. Reverend Father Mona, stay on a lane. This is the affair that has to do with the people. Even the people want the pastor over. It has to do with them. You people should stay your lane and allow us to take our freedom by force, our destiny by force, the generation upon generation future by force. You people should stay on your lane and get. If not, you will get. You not go see what you never see for your life before. Enough of it. Enough of it. We cannot continue keeping quiet while the saboteur will continue moving around. We cannot continue keeping quiet. Those are the number one people we should go after. Bishop, Reverend Father, they are the number one people. Let's set an example with them. That way we want for tomorrow, make for today. After all, now innocent people, DSS the key. Who they accountable? Who they accountable for them? Who they give accountability of these people? Who are being killed by the DSS? Who is giving the accountability for them? Biafrans, people wake up to the reality. If we do not clean up the saboteur in our midst, it will be very difficult for us to exit Nigeria. Look at the way Amazonia did their independence. They mass flower, mat everywhere. Different army come the parade. We are more populated than them. Can that one happen in our place? When the Zoo army and the Zoo, the Ohanese, the Pandef, the so-called governors, the so-called that the Gio and Mommy Gio, and the Reverend Father and Bishop, we not go team up together to bring army even army from Niger, they will bring them to come and destroy us. We have to go after our saboteurs. I'm not talking about saboteur, sabotique. No. I'm not talking about sabotique, all those small saboteur. No. Small saboteur, the damage they are causing is not the weight enough to the damage where that bishop, whether not Bishop Emeka, be whatever they call and where they come from Enugu. So the damage that the bishop, the Reverend Father, and the bishop of Catholic Anglican Church are causing is not up to the one of Saboy TK is causing. This mighty saboteur should be get rid of. Let's use one to set an example, my people. Let's use one to set an example. It is now or never again. We have the opportunity to grab our freedom in our hands. We cannot allow people who are close to their grave, people who are almost dead, to come and determine or to come and tell us how to go about our freedom. We must go after these bishops. We must go after these reverend fathers. We must add a take for live video. Waiting one happen may happen. Waiting one happen may happen for that place. We cannot see waiting one happen when one reach what it already happened. So waiting one happen in that place. Let it happen. Enough is enough. Now blood now they don't throw our brain. We cannot continue keeping quiet for these people. It is blood that is running through our vein. We cannot continue keeping quiet. Let's go after the saboteurs in our midst. The Ohanese, the Pandef, the governors, the traditional rulers, the religion rulers. Go after the saboteurs. Enough of it. Enough of it. Enough of it. Everywhere in the world where they fight freedom, they go after the saboteurs. Even the Taliban, they did the same thing. How are we going to succeed having this multitude of saboteurs? Are we the most democratic people on this planet Earth? Do you see anywhere they fight freedom where they don't have democracy? They have democracy, but they still get rid of the saboteurs. What do you mean by democracy? And let our people, let us follow the wish of our people. Wish of our people is destroying our struggle. Wish of our people is drawing us back. Wish of our people is drawing us back. In freedom fighting, there is no democracy, as a matter of fact. In freedom fighting, there is no democracy. It is called as in now action that they needed. It is action that is needed. The angry youth caused by the NSAS protest, you should do the people you should go after. Go after these mighty saboteurs. Leave all this saboteur TK. Go with the mighty saboteur. Go after those ones. Those are the people that need to be beheaded. Those are the people that need to be burnt to ashes. Those are the people, their houses need to be invaded. Go after all of them. 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 The bishop, the reverend fathers, the Ohaneses, the Pandef, the governors, the senators, all the representatives. Go after them. Leave Saboy TK alone. Leave the small ones alone. The small ones, they not reach, they not they cause more damage. These demons are the ones causing more damage. Go after them and go and destroy them. We said now IPOB want to get hit. Who is shit you they talk about? Which shit are you talking about? You get the hit one and one break on one we never see before. Abuna go keep us one we never kill. At least now you kill us, we kill you. You kill us, we kill us. It was even part of the prophecy that was given to us by God. They will kill us, we will kill them. At the end of the day, Biafra will come. Operation gone down. Let's see how many of you will go out there alive. Let's see how many of you will go down. Like, okay, you use Operation God it down. I'll be gods down. You think we don't know the meaning of Operation Go Down? You don't want to use gone down or go down. You think we don't know the meaning? Who not they deceive? We not blame Una. I say I not blame Una. Janja we. Me not blame Una. I know you blame Una at all. I not blame Una. Me not blame Una. I blame the so-called representative. Honorary road, this idiot cannot provide. Honorary road, honorary good road. You go to travel, go places where you're supposed to go for 2 hours. You go spend good 14 hours, 10 hours for one road. I traveled through the north to this Europe I am today. I traveled to this Europe I am today. There was nothing like hold up. There is nothing like hold up in that place. The only place where we see hold up was in I think in Gwagwalada, the only Suleja. I think it was Suleja. We saw hold up. Every place, four lane. Go down our road. If they tiny like this, Ogun na go kill una. Ogun go kill all the governors in the east. Ogun go kill all of una. Una go die very miserable death. Amadia go bend una neck. Ogun go kill all of una for that place. For all the pains, one of they put on our people through. Now let us not go get any good facility in our place. Now we not go get good road. Now we go see the fight for freedom. We now go see come team up together to they destroy us. To they destroy us. To they team up with our enemy. They bring operation, this operation, that's the count for that place. It is time to put an end to these people. They are number one enemy. British is in the second. Even Fulani are the third. Our governors, the reverend fathers, the reverend, the archbishop of Anglican, of Catholic, they are our number one problem. The Ohanezes, the Pandef, the governors, the traditional rulers, they are our number one problem. If we must get Biafra, we must go after these people. If we must get freedom, exit from Nigeria, we must go after these people. That way they say you go fall tomorrow. We won't make it fall today. We're not confident patient enough again. Because there's nowhere in the world where they fight and get freedom with saboteur, populated saboteur in their midst like this. There's nowhere in the world. Biafran case will not do exceptional. Biafran case not go do exceptional. Nowhere in the world where they get fight for freedom with populated saboteur like this. Jesu audio Oshuwa. Very painful. Gina Rose. Sister Gina Rose. Very painful. Very painful. If you have not listened or you have not gone through that, those so-called useless meeting that these incompetent leaders did yesterday, please go there and listen to it. Go there and listen to the jargons that was coming out of these bastards. Go out there and listen to the rubbish when they come out for the mouth of these people. Oh my God. It's raining. It rain. So, my God, I never see people like this for my life. I never see people like this. I never see people like this. I will not, for now, I will not fight, I will not attack Janjaweed again. I will attack this leader. And if you say leave them, they are the first enemy. They are the number one enemy. Don't tell me to leave them. I will not leave them. Because they are the number one enemies. They are the number one enemy. Do they decide for the Janjaweed in the north? What happens in the north? Upon all the what is it called? All the killing and destruction that is going on in the north. How many times have you seen the Janjaweed hold meeting to discuss how to deploy army to that place? The only army that will deploy to that place, it is the army from the south, so that they will use them to cast costs. They are all in one mission, one vision. Only in our place, you have chronic saboteurs. You have staunch saboteurs. You have staunch betrayers. You have staunch people who are ready to do anything for power and money. Only in Biafra land. Only in Biafra land. And you expect us to keep quiet and be looking at those people. Enough is enough. Biafra, let me leave it here. It rain. So I go to go back house. Enough is enough. Saboteur, we need to go after saboteur. Not in TK when they inside. Not the TK. Go after the mighty ones. Go after the mighty ones. Leave the TK. Leave the Sabo TK, the small ones when they say leave them. Leave those ones. Go after the Ogbudu when they say go after them and get rid of those useless individuals in that place. Get rid of them. They should be hunted down. Adama, I'm telling you, that is the honest truth. There's nothing, no plenty words about it. And that rain, when they say in 1-4, in 1-4, now not they wait for me don't wait tire for the rain. I don't wait tire. The zoo go they threaten us. The rain will fall. When the rain fall, it will do this, it will do that. We want the rain to fall today. We are running out of patience. Let them bring it on. Let them bring it on. Una bye-bye. Ciao. All hail Biafra. Share this video. Share it. Let it get to get to these betrayers, this chronic hardcore betrayers. Let it get to them. Share it. Thank you very much. Until I'll come on our way again. My name is Efe Uwanoro. Omote Biafra. I be Robo Biafra from the coastal region of Biafra land. All hail Biafra.